What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to walk around, pick any kind of flaws I can find on this 1968 Coronet. I went ahead and popped the truck so I'm not fumbling the camera around and flipping you all over. Maybe I can talk today. We're going to get started here, run down all the lower panels, checking for Bondo, chips, scratches, issues that you may need to know about before you come up here to our car lot. We do this with every car on the lot, so check out maplemotors.com. We have shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. We also update that website every Monday. Last but not least, hit the subscribe button for daily content here on YouTube. Coming around the front bumper, you can definitely tell it's been replaced in the last couple years. There's not really any kind of defects on it. The grill is in great shape. We got some water left over from when the guy washed it. Up under the hood, we have a 318 with a big old blower sitting on top. Upgraded pulleys. Extra belt in the trunk, aluminum radiator, electric fans. Power steering on this one. Exhaust has been redone as well. Looking around on the outside, I can tell it has drum brakes all the way around. A good upgrade for this car would be at least front disc brakes. Let's look down these lower panels here and see if we can find any problems. So far, so good. Little gap right there in the back. Coming up around the rear fender here. Got a set of nice Riddler wheels. And some stripes coming down the back there. There is a crease here going down the body line. We'll be checking on the inside of the trunk to see if we can see any replacement panels. Looks like it was done really well. I think somebody has redone this panel over here. You can still see that line. It's the only thing I don't like about it. We'll check the other side too. Door handles are older. They haven't been replaced. You do have a chip. Oh, no, that was grass. It looked like a chip in the middle of the door. Mirrors look like they have been replaced at some point. You do have tinted windows all the way around on this one. There's a few dimples back here in the top, like the back pillars. Look at this paint job in the sun. I'm hoping it shows up on the camera as pretty as it does out here in person. Little dimple right there on the fender. Heading on to the back side here. I got the trunk open already. We'll be laying it down in a moment, checking it out. Dual exhaust out the back. Back bumper's in great shape. It's got a great look to it as well. Do have some chips around the tail lights. Weather stripping seems to be in pretty good condition in the trunk. I noticed some aftermarket gauges under the dash. They're new. They haven't been really hooked up. I figured they were new when I started the test drive. You do have wiring for a speaker sound system in the trunk. The package tray is in pretty good shape. A little bit of surface rust popping up, nothing major. Got the spare tire in the trunk as well. Let's pick this up. Try not to rip the mat. It was already trying to rip on me. Here we go. Solid trunk here. Looks to be in good shape. Good deal. Let's go ahead and shut this down, see how it lines up. Okay, it shuts pretty easy. Huge trunk. You got a couple little spider splits in the paint there. I like checking up in these corners below the trim. Any kind of rust. It looks very solid. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're running the lower panels, and then we'll jump inside and get her started up. You got a light scratch right here on the side of the panel. I don't feel an indentation, so that should come off. I feel like if I did this enough, it would start coming off. If it looks like it is fading. Coming down the panel there some more. The door is hanging a little bit in the corner. There's a chip right here where people getting in and out of the car and kick the panel. Up here in the front, you got a few little chips as well. And up here in the corner where the door has been open, it has been touched up. Paint's a little thick here in the front. See where it's kind of ran. Coming down the midsection. Looks like Christmas. Door handle's not new, but is in working order. Mirror's in good shape. I see a few dimples on the hood here where the hinges are bolted on. All right, let's jump inside, check the interior out, and start this thing up. Door panel is in great shape. The interior in this thing looks awesome. Go ahead and be thinking, do you believe the horn works or not? It's a little game we like to play on this channel. Back seat's in pretty good shape. Package tray, it's decent. Headliner, looks good. A little saggy over in the corner. Weather stripping on the door is in decent shape. Checking the bottom of the door here. Solid. The jamb looks good. The carpet looks like it's been replaced in the last couple of years at least. It's fairly new. We have multiple sets of gauges. These are the new ones that I've seen that are in the trunk that are not hooked up yet. They just put them in here. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. Starts up very easy. Radio works in this thing. A fan, it's definitely pulling from the battery. You can feel a little bit of air coming out or heat, so it is working. It's just not very fast. Showing 18,000 miles on the dash. I can't stand behind this because this is a 68 model. Wipers work. Horn, are y'all ready? Not working. All right, let's jump out and listen to this motor. Coming down with the hood, fits right around that perfectly and locks easy. stipple right here on the hood. And over here on this side. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. Be sure to check out 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. And on my test drive video, I light the undercarriages up pretty much every car on the lot. So be sure to watch that test drive. Let's look under this. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. We'll be happy to help you out. If you hit that subscribe button, you'll see daily content coming from this channel. And if you follow maplemotors.com, you can see new cars every Monday. Helps us out greatly when you share these videos as well. I do appreciate it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and jump back on the test drive. You can locate that in the last 30 seconds of this video. I always put the videos together. All right, let's get it. Thanks for watching.